Akash Sinha's technology is a robotic remotely operated vehicle (ROV) designed for use in the Indian Armed Forces and paramilitary services. The primary uses for the robot are military surveillance, reconnaissance and explosive ordnance disposal. The unit is capable of operating across all terrain surfaces and can climb stairs. It is equipped with cameras, sensors and a robotic arm, which all operate via remote control from up to 1 kilometer away.
If you look at how our country is, I was speaking with National Security Guard. They told me that in India there were more than 250 bomb explosions last year, one of the highest in a non-war zone country. And some of these things happen because they are very difficult to detect. Even if they are detected, a bomb suit has to be worn by a person. It takes time. It's dangerous for him as well. So if we send a machine there instead of risking a human being's life, we could potentially save several hundreds of lives in India.
The remote arm is capable of lifting a 30-pound payload. The robot is lightweight and is man-portable. The robot's indigenous design is intended to offer a highly capable remotely operated vehicle that costs approximately 50% of similar currently available models.
FICCI has been actually very helpful. In fact, I realized that among all the commerce groups here, like FICCI, CII and other organizations, FICCI seemed to be most helpful to the new entrepreneurs. And I think part of that was this India Innovation Growth Program, where they took us through almost a crash course MBA for technologists, because we understand technology, but how to commercialize it is something we learned very well under this program.
Akash Sinha, a well-known robotic scientist, has made robots and worked with several defense organizations from across the world. His innovation finds pride of place in the FICCI DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Program 2012.